beginning maybe. Okay. So today you open your document. Okay, go up. So today we have started with the Python, and first topic is assigning values to a variable. How you assigned? Okay. So you can assign like this number, float or integer or string like this. Okay. Now how to print the function? You can print like a simple a or quote within quote. So if you printing within quote, it will print as it is.
Yes.
Now if you're printing the separator or end, you can use write SCP or END. Okay. So try to print the snapshot of the output after this so that it will be easier for you.
Okay.
Now multi-line statement. So you can write in a single line like this. If you're writing in the multiple line, you have to give backslash. Okay. Now quotation. Quotation is nothing but your single quote, double quote, and triple quote. Single quote you can give for word, double quote for statement. These two can be interchanged, and now triple quote for paragraph. Clear?
Yes.
Calm down. Now this is multiple assignment. So how to assign multiple variables? So let's say it is a similar item, you can assign like this: a equal to b equal to 10. If it is different, you can give comma. Okay, this I can write this way or this way. Okay, now come down. Now data type. Data type is nothing but your type of data. We have this number, string, list, tuple, and dictionary. So number is nothing but the number 10 or 10.5, whatever. And now string. String is nothing but your, it will store as a array-like structure, and starting from the 0, 1, 2, 3, and for reverse it is -1, 2, -2, -3, like that. So this is nothing but your called slicing concept, the square bracket. So if you print like this, it will print. But if it is out of range, it will show that it is out of range. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And like that, you just practice giving, take some string, try to practice like this, giving colon and all. If you're giving double colon means the first one is your starting point, second one is your end point, and other one is a skip, how much you want to skip. Okay. If you don't give anything, by default it will be +1. And for negative, you have to give first the smaller one, then higher one, negative or positive, whatever. You cannot give 8:1 like that. You cannot give -1 colon -6. Okay. So first one should be small, then this one. Okay. Now list you have not copied. Control A, Control X. So here list is similar as a string, but here we are giving list of items. Okay. Here you can give number or float or string at a time, but string means only one string. Okay. But here it's a different items you can give within square bracket. That is nothing but your list of items. But string means only one. You can give only one in single quote or double quote. But here list means it can be in number, float, or string, whatever. Like that, S1 and S2 are given. So same concept. So let's say S2 of 3 means it will go like this. But if you're giving, let's say 10, 99, Shravan. Shravan is the second one. In that second one, again, it is a string. So in that, again, it will start from 0 is S, A is 1, R is 2, like that. Okay. And
Okay.
so that's the reason we have given here print S1 of 2 and 4. That means S1 of 2 is your Shravan, that is nothing but a string. In that, again, fourth one. Okay.
Yes.
So this is nothing but your second dimensional matrix, that you are giving 2 square bracket, right? That is nothing but second dimension, 2-dimensional, 2D. So this is how it is. Okay. So till now, any doubt, anything?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Perfect. Good.
Yes, sir.
So, so now maybe we can stop here and we'll continue the next topic. Till then, you can practice with, as I told you, with some theory and one example. Already we have done some more example. If you want to, you can do. I'm not telling that you immediately do, but try to do.
Okay.
Okay.